Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Felix Hlobe bamthathise i-break ya 2 weeks laphana kuGagasi FM ngemva kwevideo yakhe lisabalele lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana la abonakala khona kamakhelwane wakhe alwathetha uwatshela mfati wakhe ukuthi ufuna abantu abakhe mhla tingu-24 December 2025. Le video yende ukuthi abantu abaningi baqasuke ngendlela lesimanga abaze basayina ne-petition lethi uFelix Hlophe must be fired from iGagasi FM ngemva kokuthi iGagasi FM ireceive ma-email inqwaba o ma-calls ma-concerns ebantu yadecide ukuthi imise ku-break uFelix Hlophe for 2 weeks. Nasi nje statement sakhona siyasibona abantu abaningi bavakalise kungajabuli ngaloku bantu labakwendako lento nje yokuthi if umuntu lodumile into something sekufana bathi basayine ama-petition ukuthi bamqoshise emsebentini. People are just saying ukuthi i-cancel culture nje iyabhetha. Nawe abantu basemzansi batikhulumela ngale ndzaba. Mina nawe siyobonana next time. Goodbye.
Hayibo sanibona, happy December. Hayi ngizwa kuthiwa nisayina i-petition yokuthi iGagasi FM ixoshe uFelix Hlophe. Hawu zingane zakwethu. Gabu. Ey'ndabeni zabantu, gabu. Kwakhona ey'ndabeni zabantu. It is okay to have opinions. It is okay ukwenza ama-videos and yabona sisho our 2 cents worth because people learn from our videos. But now umuntu alwe nomyeni wakhe indaba zakwabo bese nina nithi umyeni makalahlele komsebenzi. uTracy nomuntu wakhe babuyelene manje nina kodwa nifuna ukuthi uFelix alahlekele umsebenzi. Badleni why umuntu nomuntu angazenzela i-petition for ubaby daddy wakhe or for indoda yakhe lemhluphayo o ubhuti wakhe lo shaya intombi yakhe lapha kini emva kwamaroom nithule nithi cwaka kodwa kwi-stranger nisayina i-petition. Bafazi siyaphapha kodwa hayi siyaziphaphela indaba zabantu. I'm not saying lokhu akudelela okwenziwe uFelix on that video yinto enhle, into embi, shame, into ebambisa igazi, into emasikizi. Ikhona indlela that you expect ukuthi ubaba wekhaya makakhuluma akhulume ngayo whether you are angry or not. Isimilo ufuna usibambile, especially for a Zulu man. Mina nje as a Zulu woman, I'm seriously disappointed at how he carried himself, angry or not. Zikhona nje izinto indlela ongakhulumi ngazo ebantwini besifazane nabantu besilisa for that matter, but usually they don't do it kubantu besilisa because they know ukuthi abantu besilisa bazobashaya. But when it comes to women, umuntu uzokhuluma ngale yandlela ngathi angathola itype yami ngelinye ilanga, ngathi angathola thina ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa ke kulungile, kodwa engikubuzayo ukuthi hawu petition kanti waye omunye nomunye angabhekani nestori sakhe nese-o yakhe nesendoda yakhe. Umuntu onobaby daddy ongondlu ayemsebenzini ayazenzela i-petition ayi-1 noTracy naye azenzela i-petition for indoda yakhe. Hayi siyagagamela siyaxamukela ey'ndabeni zabantu. Hayi siyaxamukela ey'ndabeni zabantu. Wena nje wabakutrapile nje kulela viki uzoyimxoshisa nini lo wakho? Wena lo wakho ongahlala ngabuyi iviki lonke yena wayengayimsebenzi ukuthi makaxoshwe. Wena makudliwe kwakho kodwa kwaTracy makulanjwe. The only thing efuna ngabe ni-advisor nayo ukuthi bafazi ake nifuna umsebenzi nisebenze nizimele, nizokwazi ukuthi stand up for yourselves within those relationships there. That's all.
Watch the people that you call your friends, because they'll be the ones that want to deliver the fatal blow. But sizobe singamagwala singamadoda uma we don't talk. Every man must speak up. If kuukuthi you unezwi lokukhuluma and you have a platform, we must condemn this thing. Ubaba ungezwe mchunu said this ukuthi it's demonic indlela the social media is being used ukuthi iphuce abantu iparish. Wena yini ekujabulisayo ngokuthi kuphucwe ubhuti uFelix Hlophe iphalish lakhe akwazi ukuthi ondle ingane zakhe, noma you have hate and jealousy over the nice life that he has, or you are just jealous that he has 2 wives, or the guy just usanda kulobola futhi umfazi wesibili, noma konke lokho kuyacasula. You hate actually the healthy patriarchy. Even though I don't know him as a person, but just hear me out for a bit. Ngizwe kahle. Don't you see the whole thing that is being propaganded? Yonke lento leni siyahlanganiswa fast ekuthiwa akaxoshise egagasini. Hawu. Bafowethu, awumxoshisi ngani ubaba wakho uhambe ethuka bonke abantu emndenini njengoba benihlangene? Awumxoshisi ngani umama wakho omaziyo ukuthi uyinyoka? Cinezela wonke umuntu emndenini mekusuke kuhlangene. Angibuze nje, right? So vele this jealousy that you're coming from, the bad family background that you're coming from, it's the one that is making you to do like this. But people iy'mpilo zabo ayihambi ngendlela abafuna ngayo. So ukuze bethole gratification empilweni nenjabulo ukuthi becekele iy'mpilo zabanye abantu phansi. This altercation that happened is no different than others that are happening in the families. But because someone is in the social eye, so ngakho-ke sekufanele ukuthi aphucwe iphalishi. Yini ningambizi nihlale naye phansi ukuthi Bhuti Felix, kwenzakalani? Did you abuse your wife? Are you abusing your kids? Is there a case number? Is there a case even that is opened of him abusing nkosikazi? Yes, GBV, it's a serious issue in this country. It's a pandemic. But guys, tell me something. Madoda, angenikhulume bafowethu. Uma kusuke kwenzeka kanje, your fellow brother, it's not nice what is happening. Siyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. It's a sharp edge because he is a man. It's a double standard all the time. Now he must be suspended. Kumele axoshiswe emsebenzini. Zodla kanjani iy'ngane zakhe? Zojabula ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe ziphume ey'koleni right. Because that's another thing, right? Ukuthi his life is going well, so therefore kufanele ukuthi aphucwe iphalish because he's living a life that you can't live. He's a man that you cannot have. So therefore uTracy must suffer because of some altercation. But ke bafowethu singabantu besilisa in this society, GBV is something ekhona, it's a pandemic. We cannot condone that. But bafowethu, what is this demonic? Kwenzakalani in the society? Yini le eyenza abantu benze ngale ndlela? Kufanele sizibuze. Lo mphakathi esiphila kuwona, why is social media is weaponized against umuntu wesilisa?
There's so much I want to comment on regarding the Felix Hlophe saga currently playing out on social media that I feel I'm going to have to do a stop-start video in order to make sure that I don't miss any points. So let's unpack this according to me for a few minutes, okay? I want to start off by addressing Felix Hlophe himself, the man. Firstly, on your endeavor to be a polygamous man, I am now finding myself wanting to agree with your second wife that mhlambe you need ukuyododiswa about Isthembu because I don't think you're capacitated to handle it. I think a lot of men have the idea that Isthembu is like herding sheep where you are at the front. No. It's actually a wolf pack mentality where the alpha is at the back. You need to serve your wives from the back. And something about you tells me you want to be served. You don't want to do the serving. Your second wife, Ayanda, alluded to the fact that you pit them against each other in the show. And having heard what Tracy said on the clip that's circulating of you, then I now agree with her. Because Tracy can be heard in the clip crying, saying that you said to her that she must give you your kids because you have another wife. And when she says that, you don't even address it. In the video, in the moment when you possibly looking at her crying, and you don't even address it. Instead, you do some grandstanding and you talk about how this person who is housing your wife has got an illegitimate husband who has never even paid for any of the kids. Like, who does that? Who thinks he's mature enough to handle a polygamous marriage? I don't think you are. I don't think you are. And number two, what really hurts me on your own behalf is that you've got so much potential to be an incredible African giant. Your aura is insane. It's insane. You radiate power. But instead of you using that, where much is given, much is required. You are saying where much is given, much should be admired, and that's where you're getting it wrong, and it's going to humble you to your knees. Whatever brand equity you think you're standing on, when it comes to the sensitivity of the issues regarding women, anything can be crushed. You need to read the climate. You need to read the temperature of the room. This is not the time to be allegedly chasing a woman down somewhere, hooting like a maniac at the door to the point where they need to fetch the police to keep you in check. I can know you're a big boy. Why can you not manage your own emotions? You sit there and you spit out the most incredible Queen's English, but basically what are you actually saying? What is the content of what you're saying? It was hooliganism. And then what really disappoints me is that you go and you have videos where you make fun of the incident. You poke fun at the incident. Have you sat and considered the impact to your stakeholders, your girl children, your sons, your other wife, her family members? Because you're the kind of guy who goes on national TV and basically demolishes your potential mother-in-law. You sliced Ayanda's mother to pieces. How Ayanda then married you is beyond me, because for me, you touch my parents, we're done. If you cannot honor my parents, you can never honor me. So what the hell are we doing here? But that's neither here nor there. My point is, waflopa blind. And then maybe you should take a few steps back to reflect right now. I know, according to a lot of sources, that you've been allegedly, you've been very open about having a mental illness in the form of bipolar. I don't know if maybe you need to go readdress your medicine. And that's not even a dig at you. It's to say you're not acting in a way that's in alignment with what you say you want to do. Meaning there's something hindering the process of you attaining what you want, which is a peaceful marriage, a legacy in your own words. Right? You're building this incredible brand called Felix Klophe just for you to go and get an X and hit it right at the ankle so it collapses. I don't think that's of a person who's in the full faculties of their mind. I don't think so. And in closing, Mr. Klophe, learn the difference between being legendary and notorious. You are erring on the side of the latter. Learn the difference and decide which one you actually want to do. And in my advice is to you is choose the former. Okay. Then, Tracy, my beautiful girl, you are a phenomenal woman. Not just because of how you look, but your spirit is so pure, baby girl. You cried on a video that your husband, your supposed king, your leader, right, said to you that you must leave him alone because he's got a new wife. The same wife you expressed on television and probably in private capacity multiple times that she has disrespected you to the point where you feel she cannot be an addition to the family. She cannot add value to the family. And you had some valid points. And perhaps your husband, in his beautiful charisma, has convinced you that no, you can make it work with Ayan. And perhaps you truly can. But for him to stand there and say what he said to you based on what you said on that video, and then for you to confront him in that moment, and for him to not even bother to address what you just put on the table, instead use the most incredible English to basically say a bunch of insults to whoever you were staying with, tells you so much about your standing in this man's life. Now, these are just moments that we've witnessed as viewers to your life from the outside. God only knows the conversations that happen in your bed. God only knows how you feel when you go to sleep, when he's not there, when you assume he's with Ayanda and he's with someone else. You saw on real time that there's a girl called Wendy. You mentioned it yourself that you were surprised when he introduced Ayanda because you were not expecting Ayanda to be number 2, meaning there's another lady. It could have been Wendy, it could have been someone else. Is this the life you really want to live, Tracy Smith Klophe? Really? Because even that reality show, if we're going to be honest, it's on the back of your tears. Because that's the first thing we see. That's the first thing we see when the first episode airs. Your eyes are just glossing over every second of every sentence that you're speaking. Your husband went and married a woman who said one of your offspring with your husband is not your husband's, and that you are aware of this thing. She went and publicized it and struggled to apologize when the opportunity was given to her. This is now your sister wife. This is now your sister wife. Your husband didn't even bother to call her to order for that. No, man. No. Kyahana for wena. I feel like I'm in no position to tell you what to do with your life. They are not necessarily crystal clean and crystal clear and perfect. I'm not an expert, but I'm definitely aware of how a man who loves you would treat you, because I've also been treated very badly. So I know that it's the opposite. He cannot embarrass you in public and then respect you in privacy. That those two things can never happen. And I don't want you, and I pray you're not handling this from a place of wanting to appear as not being so weak that Ayanda can knock you off your marriage. There's absolutely no honor in competing for your own husband's affection, his time, his commitment, his honor. There's no. So am I saying leave your man? I don't know. But I'm saying I hope you're having very sobering thoughts. And if you indeed did leave, because it looks like he chased you elsewhere, and he then had the nerve to say he's here to claim his wife. Like your lottery winnings that have not been claimed. That you are owed to him because he kept he took out some cows for you. The situation is going downhill fast. And if after the incident, right, your husband thinks it's okay for him to make jokes about the hooter, laugh, probably have jokes about it with the people he was with, that's at your expense because the incident was about you. He's not even protecting your dignity amongst strangers, because that's what we are. We're strangers. Now, I can't imagine calling someone who's happy to call my dignity into question by not defending me from his own actions. No remorse. After everything you've done for this man. And for me, I can't even count the physical things. I can only tell you the most important thing that I think any man with multiple baby mamas needs is a woman like you. A woman who's capable of creating a cohesive family, a unit that feels like a family, when these children have different mothers. And the fact that these children honor you the way they do speaks volumes of your character. He's a lucky man. But you're an even luckier woman because you are you. You are with yourself all the time. You don't need him. If that's really how he treats you, sis. Take a break. Give this man space to reflect. And if his reflections show a monster, then let him fight the demons on his own.
Akho mfazi la behind umfazi kaFelix usupport umfazi kaFelix bafuna fane nabo acele kuma status athi awu ayisekho ngisho nendoda engikhiphayo nje awungaze ngasingile bafuna lokho tshela most abantu abathi abenza ngathi bayamsupport abantu abanjalo abafuna fane nabo kade bembuka eShayisa of Life bayacasuka bafuna fane nabo yabo uma uthi ngempela lento abayenza epetition iyona ayingeke fana awu yazi bethu sithi silungisa iCountry senze izinto ezibalekile basale ngemuva bona kodwa makuthiwa kwenziwa amanyalo okugxoshisa abantu emsebenzini baphambili kodwa bafethu ungasho kanjani ukuthi usupport umuntu kodwa ufuna ukuthi ingane zakhe ilambe ungasho kanjani
uma ngabe ngingakhona nje ongathi yena othandweni lakhe azikho inkinga kavele othi yena nje emshadweni wabo azikho inkinga kavele othi yena nje othandweni labo nomuntu wakhe abaxabani nje akavele la ngikhulunyiswa lento kaFelix Hlophe yabona wena lo shoothe le video Felix Hlophe kade releasana lapha nefamily yakhe lo shoothe le video ayi uSathane uDevil manje ufuna ini uyamxoshisa ufuna umxoshisa apha emsebenzini abekho abantu abanganazi inkinga kuphela ukuthi phela nina nganidumile nathi asidumile siyaxabana nabantu bethu kudlule nje sixabane kudlule into enginaka nguFelix uyawuthanda umndeni wakhe uFelix Hlophe uyayithanda ingane zakhe yabo uthe mayibona ekhaya abekho unkosikazi wakhe nezingane uFelix Hlophe wenza show ukuthi ngempela uyabalanda noma ngabe kukhona ungaboni ngasolinye ukukhona kodwa umndeni wakhe ukhathalela ukuthi awubuye uze ekhaya ingane zakhe akalale zisekhaya nonkosikazi wakhe ababuye beze ekhaya kuxatshwene makukhona uxabana ingxabane bekhona kodwa ngoba bengasekho ekhaya wenza show ukuthi akabalande la bekhona bebuye beze ekhaya indoda emadodeni uFelix yabona nje lapha indoda emadodeni uFelix Hlophe so ke nina ke seni busy uFelix nithi ufuna axoshwe emsebenzini ayingosathane man ningosathane anishaya nana wena amadoda nje nake naye ane inkampani la sebenza khona nawa reporter nayo uthi ngicela axoshwe nake naya nawe uthi amadodini awaxoshwe emsebenzini indoda yakho uma uvuka ekuseni ikushayele ikubeka ublue eye nake naya asugqugquzela ukuthi akushawa abantu besifazane kodwa sengisho laba abanye iningi labe ngibabonayo bethi uFelix na akaxoshwe egagasini wena wake wayani ureport yakhe indoda ikushayile emsebenzini ukuthi ayixoshwe wake waya yini cha mhla ka-31 kusuku uFelix thina somlindele laphana kuyigagasi noLinda Sibiya noSel Beyonce ukuthi besihlukanisele unyaka silindile nje leyo combo Felix sumlindile